Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what a fun is to ride on a one-house open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Welcome aboard, passengers, and welcome to episode 27. And to day 9 of Shay's Christmas Countdown Day. And today I'm at Starcross. On the Gloucester Railway / Waverley line, waves are serviced by from Gloucester Railway and Cross Country. 15004 brought me from Dornishmorn, and she's heading off working a service to Exeter Davison and diverted to Exmouth. Yeah. So avoid you passing by working service from Edinburgh Waverley to Paignton to Newton Abbott. Yeah. Right. So let's get this started. Yeah. So let's get started here and what turns up. Okay, the first train of the day is the 5034 by Grubs to run service to London Paddington from Penzance. (80204) and 80104 service to London Paddington. Okay, the next train to come past is going to be a Grubs to run 150 work service from Carter Central to Paignton. (15004). Hope we'll go and see another high-speed train or a commuter train will be passing by. Okay, the next train to come past by is going to be a cross-country double service to Edinburgh Waverley from Plymouth. (22004) and 22009. Okay, the next train to come past by is going to be a Grubs to Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. Okay, the next train to come past by is going to be a cross-country Voyager service from Paignton to Manchester Piccadilly. We're about to pass by through. 22004. Okay, the next train to turn up is the 5034 Global Demand with service to Newton Abbot from Cardiff Central. Okay, the next train to come past by is going to be a slow Global Demand HSC service to Cardiff Central from Paignton. (4305) and 4302 brings up the rear. Alright, so there goes a blasted diesel engine. Is a 126 service just departing off to Newton Abbot. And off it goes. Okay, the next train to come in is the 5034 Great Western Railway service to Exeter Davids from Paignton. Okay, and just come past by. It's going to be a Great Railway service to Newton Abbot passing by. What's a 604? Alright, so now get to the part. It's the 5034 Global Railway service to DMU. Just departing service to Exmouth. Nope, it's a service to some like Cardiff Central. What's a 604? Okay, the next train to come past by is going to be a cross-country Voyager service to Paignton from Newcastle Central. Okay, and next train to come past by is going to be a cross-country water service to Manchester Piccadilly from Plymouth. (2:04). Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be a double cross-country water service to Penzance from Newcastle Central via Birmingham New Street. (2:04) and (2:104). 2:05 and 2:04. As it offs ahead to Penzance, or should leave it there. Thank you for watching, everybody. It's appreciated. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications for the next upload. Well, on my next video on day 10, yeah. So it's been a good time visiting Starcross, yeah. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys on my next video is day 10 train set Martian Barton. Hey guys, goodbye. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what a fun is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is delivering presents for more and more children around the country. Ho, ho, ho!